In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated GIFs in Canva. Creating your very own animated GIFs can be a fun and easy way to spice up your social media posts or add a bit of personality to your digital content. Let's dive in and take this step-by-step journey together. First, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Create option at the top of the Canva homepage. This is your starting point where all the magic begins. Clicking on Create will open up a world of design possibilities. After clicking on Create, notice the search bar that appears. Here you'll type in the word animated. This search will help you filter down the options to specifically include animated designs, making it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, among the options that appear, find and click on Animated Social Media. This is a helpful preset in Canva that comes with templates designed specifically for creating engaging animations suited for social platforms. It's a terrific way to get a head start with some professional layouts and ideas. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to start personalizing your design. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see several tools at your disposal. Click on Elements. This is where you'll find a variety of graphic elements to enhance your design, including frames, shapes, and illustrations. With the Elements option open, focus on the sub-option called Stickers. Stickers are inherently animated, which makes them perfect for embellishing your design with movement. Browse through the options, and once you find a sticker that fits your vision, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can adjust its position and size as needed to fit your layout perfectly. Now let's talk about duration. You can easily control how long each animated page lasts by adjusting the timeline. To do this, click and drag the edges either left or right. This will effectively increase or decrease the duration that a particular page remains visible, giving you complete control over your animation's rhythm and pacing. When you're satisfied with the design and animation, it's time to save your work. Navigate to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on Share. This step is crucial as it allows you to export your creation in various formats. After clicking on Share, select Download from the drop-down menu. This will prepare your file for export. To ensure your final product is a GIF, click on MP4 video in the download options and then change it to GIF. This simple change converts your animated design into the snappy GIF format we want. And there you have it, you've just created a custom animated GIF right here in Canva. It's a simple yet effective way to bring your designs to life and share them with the world. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.